Welcome to the physics class. In this video, we are going to study relative motion between two projectiles. So, we are given two projectiles here. One is at an angle alpha 1 and other is at an angle alpha 2. And the initial velocity of the projectile is u1 and u2. And the coordinates are y and x, y and x. So, what's the relative acceleration between the two projectiles? That will be given by a12 equals to a1 minus a2 equals to g minus g, that is 0. That is, the relative motion between the two particles is uniform. Now if we look closely, u1x equals to u1 cos alpha 1, u2x equals to u2 cos alpha 2, u1y equals to u1 sin alpha 1 and u2y equals to u2 sin alpha 2. Therefore, u12x is equals to u1x minus u2x equals u1 cos alpha 1 minus u2 cos alpha 2, and u12 in the y direction, relative motion of 1 with respect to in the y direction is u1y minus u2y equals u1 sin alpha 1 minus u2 sin alpha 2. Now u12x and u12y are the x and y components of relative velocity of 1 with respect to 2, that is u12 and x and u12y. Hence the relative velocity of 1 with respect to 2 is a straight line at an angle theta equals to u12y divided by u12x with the positive x-axis. So that's the angle between the relative velocity of 1 with respect to 2. Now if u12x equals to 0 or u1 cos alpha 1 equals u2 cos alpha 2, relative motion is along y-axis or in vertical direction as theta equals to 90 degrees. Similarly, if u12y equals 0 or u1 sin alpha 1 equals u2 sin alpha 2, the relative motion is along the x-axis or in the horizontal direction as theta is equal to 0 degree. Now there is a note here, that is relative acceleration between the two projectiles is 0. That is the case, and relative motion between them is uniform. Therefore, the condition of collision of two particles in air is that relative velocity of one with respect to other should be along the line joining them. That is, if the two projectiles A and B collide in mid-air, then VAB should be along AB, or VBA along VBA along BA. So that's the case with relative acceleration. So that was all for today, guys. If you have learned something good from this video, please do give a like, subscribe and share the video among your friends. Thank you.